I have 4 packages that arrived that I would love to share with you, so it's unboxing time. The first one is from Kaylee's Moon Crystals. Now this package I did order myself, and the rest of the packages are gifts that were sent to me, but I love sharing my crystals with you guys. All right, beautiful, peace and love. He always writes all kinds of lovely notes in here. So thank you, Rockman Chris. And there is a gift. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's a gift in here. Night Pearl Stone. Enjoy, Andrea. Merry Christmas. Love you too. The Moon and Beyond, Rockman Chris and Kaylee. Love you guys. Wow, let me see this. Oh, wow, that feels amazing. Oh, look how beautiful and unique. And I believe this is the one that like illuminates in under certain light and or in the dark or something. I'll have to try it out, and oh, it just feels amazing. Wow, that is a beautiful feeling. Put it right there so I can see it. I don't even remember sometimes. So it's such a wonderful surprise. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I loved this. Oh, look at that dragon. Oh my goodness. Isn't that gorgeous, right? Wow, that's beautiful. And there's like beautiful writings in gold on the main stone. Oh wow, that's gonna be beautiful. I love it. Oh, and the scent in here is lovely. Oh, it's another thing. Oh, I love this one too. I love this one too. I forgot about this one. How beautiful is this? So look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I forgot about this one. This is gorgeous too. Oh, I love it. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Thought I might get some more for wearing when I'm filming and all. Oh, this is one of those really cool stones. I don't remember its name. Isn't that just fantastic? Oh my goodness, it feels so awesome. Wonderful feeling. I love it. What else is in here? Oh, it's another one of those. Oh, they feel good together too. Love it. Oh, I know what this is. This was the main guy. I loved this the minute I saw it. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that just gorgeous? So beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. I just love it. Love it. Oh, I love this one. It's just so gorgeous. Oh, you're beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that just amazing? Look at this. I love it. So then it'll be beautiful on the stand. Yes? Oh, that's lovely. Oh, this is the flame. I loved this one too. Isn't that gorgeous? I might use this on crystal blessing cards. It's so powerful. Lovely. And one more in this box. Oh, these are, I think these are the bracelets I ordered. Let's see. Oh, they're lovely. Oh my goodness, I love these. Look at these, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, they feel lovely. So that is my crystal haul, crystal jewelry, crystals. Love every one of them. Thank you, Rockman Chris, for the beautiful gift as well. Always so good to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now this one was sent by a beautiful being of light in our Acasma family who's recently joined us, and she came from TikTok, and her name is Jonelle. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Divine One. Thank you so much for this. This was something that I had on my wish list. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a beautiful thermos container cup guy. Look at this little bag. It's like burlappy. It's like so nice. And this has the straw in it, I think. This is, I don't know how to say it. My children love to giggle when I try to remember how to say this, but there's this drink you drink, like I get a matcha, but then they put these balls in it. And I think they're called Boboa. I don't know, Bobo? You guys can comment below and have a laugh. But, oh, this is lovely. So this has a lovely stainless steel straw, a little cleaner, so that you don't have to, I don't have to keep using. It's a nice little hole so you can keep it warm when you're ready to put the straw in. But I don't have to reuse plastic cups and plastic straws. And it has this lovely cork ring so that it can help with it if it's too hot. Thank you, Jonelle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm honored and grateful to receive this. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. I'm gonna be making my matcha tea, latte. I make a latte. I love it. It has turmeric in it and cinnamon and matcha, and it's wonderful. Maybe one day I'll do a video on how to make it, the way I make it. All right, the other package, this one is from Teresa Maria. Again, new beautiful being of light from TikTok. Hello, beautiful one. I hope you are able to see this. I will share this on YouTube and on IG. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this was another thing that I had wished for, and it is really big, so I'm not going to take it out of the box, but I will show you the picture. So it's a facial steamer, and it's a very nice one. So thank you, Teresa Maria, thank you. I am so deeply honored to receive this. So this is like a steamer that they use this actually in spas when you go to like an esthetician, I think it is, and they do your skin. This is a very high-end device. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so you can steam the face, and it helps open the pores and clean them, and helps take very good care of the face. So I will get that out. It's quite packaged in here with styrofoam and everything. And I'll set it all up, and I'll put a picture of it on my story. So thank you, Teresa Marie. Thank you. Teresa Maria, thank you, thank you. And I have one more package I'd love to share with you. This one is, oh my goodness, absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. Right when I open, oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna put this on my altar. Right at the top of the package, blown away. All right, so there's a card in here. It says, unending blessings upon you, dear one. We are light, we are here. Love it. You are loved unendingly. Oh, I love this, I love this, I love this. Oh, how pretty. Beautiful card with feathers. Love it. Dearest Mother of Light, thank you for one of the most beautiful, healing, and expansive spaces of my life. This is the best presents, you know? I feel grateful and honored to receive your sacred sweetheart and love every day. Thank you for the divine higher wisdom and opportunities you have blessed me with. I cherish each space we share. My soul is quantum jumping for joy that I get to be one of the very first Acasma facilitators and teachers. Your light and existence is a true blessing to humanity. You are a true miracle in the new human form. Happy birthday, I love you. Your grateful daughter of light, Meredith. Thank you, beautiful one. Thank you. Am I not so blessed? I'm just, gratitude abounds every moment of every day and every night. Look at this glorious feather. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I have to take a picture of this. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Honestly, I have to have a picture of it before I open it. Meredith, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I'll be saving this. Look at this. And Meredith hopes this year to do Sedona. I do a Sedona gathering once a year called A Time to Rise Sedona. And she just told me the other day she hopes to do it this year. It's on the intention. And now look at this. I think it's a sign, Meredith. Beautiful cactus, yes? Mother of Light, Meredith. I love it. I'm going to hang it up right here. Beautiful. Love it. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is this? Goodness, how beautiful. What? Oh my goodness. This is beautiful, Meredith. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful crystals inside. Crystals coming out the top. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you, Meredith. This is exquisite. Wow. I am just blown away. Thank you. Thank you, beautiful divine one. Thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you who send me love and gifts and donations and gratitude in so many ways. My heart is so full of love that you have placed within it. I am honored to do what I do, to be who and what I am. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for choosing to walk with me. And most of all, thank you for allowing me to walk with you. Unending blessings upon you, Divine One. Unending.